Welcome back to Average Mics, guys, and today in this short, under 10-minute video, we are going to take you back into our archives, if you will, to our arcade build. A lot of you guys weren't around when we did this. This is one of our first start to finish builds. It was about 4 videos long. We went through the whole process of building our pedestal arcade cabinet with a TV mounted to the wall, joysticks all wired up. We actually went through and installed MAME and Retroarch on our Windows PC with Launchbox and Big Box. All those videos are going to be posted in this description, but this video is basically a recap of all 4 of those videos, just kind of how we did the kitchen remodel video not too long ago. But in this instance, we are preparing you for next week's video, which is going to be an upgrade to that arcade cabinet. And the upgrade consists of basically replacing that Windows desktop or tower with MAME and RetroArch, and replacing it with a Pandora Box DX with about 3,000 games. So that should be pretty epic. So make sure you subscribe, you comment below, you turn on post notifications. That way you don't miss the video next week of us basically upgrading this cabinet to using the Pandora box and remapping all the buttons and joysticks and stuff. So without further ado, let's get into this arcade build, and I will catch you guys on the other side. It's going to be part 1 of our arcade build here. Just like I promised you guys, what I got here is I got a full set of plans I found online. I'll put some links down in the description. Alright guys, that's going to be it for this video. All videos in this video are in detail posted in the link below. So make sure if you wanted to get a little slower version and more detail, me explaining everything, how it went through, all those videos are posted below. So make sure you go and hit them up. But like I said earlier in this video, that we are going to be upgrading this cabinet to the Pandora Box DX and replacing the Windows with MAME and Retroarch and all those games. So we're replacing it with the Pandora Box DX with the JAMA wire harness. We're going to map all those buttons and joysticks to that harness. Should be pretty cool. So again, make sure you are subscribed. You comment below. You turn on your post notifications, like, dislike, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Later.